and dudettes, it's Trooper Collins here with another video. It is a lovely, quote lovely, 40 degrees here in Boise, Idaho. Temperature is dropping very quickly. Don't brewing, mate. I just got a little bit of something different for you guys. Something a little bit different for you. This is going to be a video of my random sound effect moments. Enjoy this clip. Yes. Ah, the road! I hate these roads. Ice no wino. Put. Oh my god! Oh my garden. Yeah. Nasty little hobbitses. Don't. Oh shit. Woo! Deep fried French toast. Oh, it's considered hazardous. Woo! Woo! What? I'm a good noodle. Toasty. Ow! Ow! Yeah. Whoop! Giggity. Woo! Oh! Woo! Go get smoothie. What's up, demons? It's me, ya boy. Doing sports. Emergency management. Serpentine. I gotta get gas. Alright, dudes and dudettes, I hope you really liked that video. If you like it, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment or something. Thank you guys for 29 subscribers. Let's get to 30 by Christmas, okay? Let's do this. Tell your friends, tell your boyfriends, tell your girlfriends. Alright, take care of yourselves. I'm out. Deuces.